Today we are going to be showing you exactly what I got done, and we will start with the steering. We got the OEM steering stem put in. Everything's greased up. Oh, I'm about to lose my wrench and screwdriver. Okay, all of our steering's in. Everything works as it should. Suspension's all finished. So you saw this in the last video, but now we actually have steering. And for the frame, you can see I drilled holes here, and I'm going to plug weld the 1 1/4 inch square tubing in the frame. And that way it stiffens everything. I want this to be really, really strong, very rigid. The frames have been known to kink right in this area from a front wheel impact, and it'll actually kink the frame. I don't want that. Now I still have to cut all these brackets off. I believe I'm going to put a C channel here on both sides and then cut these down. It's all going to be in a future video, but for today I want to just focus on the steering. We have some progress here, and now the carburetors have been rebuilt on our donor bike for the motor, and I'm going to do a quick start on this, let you see how it sounds. I've ordered a jet kit and individual filters for this as well. This airbox sucks, and there's just like little these are just held on with like compression with like a spring, and these are not gonna stay. This is not gonna stay on. There's no way. And they've hardened with time, so this airbox is no good to me, and it takes up a lot of real estate. This is already a really, really big engine, so to have this airbox in here, it's just taking up more space. We're gonna start it up, no choke. The motor is still cold. And it fires on the first hit. A lot of the sound that you're hearing right now from the intake is literally from the valve cover. For the sake of the video, I will hook this back up, put this in, kind of kill some of that intake sound. I am going to be doing individual filters. I'm going to have to find a filter that fits on this for a breather, and this one down here as well. Let's get that airbox somewhat put on correctly and see how she revs. So what you heard there was me holding the airbox down nice and tight to that those quad carburetors, and it actually revs really, really, really good. It's just simply not jetted to have a big old gap in between your airbox and your carburetors and suck a bunch of air. So I promise you, the next time you see this motor, it will be in this Outlander, and it won't be moving, but you will see it, and there'll be some progress. So as always, thanks for watching. Hit that like button, and soon, I promise.